Good morning, students. Today we will see an interesting topic, span of management. So what do you mean by span of management? It is nothing but how the number of, the number of subordinates or the employees, how efficiently or effectively are going to be managed by the supervisor or the manager. Okay, so the manager or the supervisor has to effectively have a control over the employees working under them. Yes, so that is going to be span of management. We have two categories under this. One is wide span, the other one is narrow span. Okay, so we will see this in detail in the coming slides. Moving on to the next slide. The span of management has two major implications. One is influence the complexities of individual manager's job. So how a manager's job complexity is nothing but the difficulty, okay, how it is going to be influenced. Yes, so the next one is determine the shape of the organization. Shape of the organization is nothing but the hierarchy. Okay, so how it is going to be on the top level, middle level and the lower level. How many employees are going to be there, how many hierarchy is going to be there. So basically at the base level it will be the employees, and at the top level it will be the management. Yes, they are the head of the organization, and in between it will be manager or the supervisor. Yes, so that is going to be shape of the organization. Yes, moving on to the next slide, it is wide span of management. Yes, so how wide span of management is going to be, it is of less hierarchical levels. So in between, top level, middle level and bottom level, so that is going to be a hierarchy level, and there will not be any middle attachments to this hierarchy. Yes, so it will be straight for the employees directly to the manager, manager directly to the top manager. That is wide span of management. The second point is it is actually difficult, difficult for the supervisor to manage a n number of employees under this. For example, so if for a teacher in a class, if there are 30 students, it will be easy for her, correct? But whereas 50 students and one teacher, how difficult it is going to be to manage the students. Similarly, for the employees, if they are in large number, it is difficult for the manager or the supervisor to manage the business, correct? Next one, and thus the remuneration is nothing but the salary given to the management manager is will be less, since the level of hierarchy is less. Yes, remuneration is nothing but salary. Moving on to the next point, it is actually this span gives a free environment or relaxed environment for the employees to give an innovation is nothing but creative ideas, because they are giving a opportunity for free environment, relaxed environment for them to work without any pressure. Yes, finally you have strict supervision is absent. Strict supervision is missing in the span of management. Yes, next one, narrow span of management. Whereas in case of wide span we saw very less hierarchy level, but whereas in narrow span we have hierarchy levels are very high. Yes, so between top level and middle level you will be having an in between hierarchy, and between middle level and lower level you will be again having an in between level. So the hierarchy level is very high. It will be very difficult for the base employee. If he has any problem, he cannot get directly to the manager or the supervisor. So there will be lot of middle persons he has to handle before he is going to the supervisor. Yes, so it is difficult for them actually. The next one, here we have less number of employees assigned to a particular supervisor. So it is actually easy for him to handle the employees. When the numbers are less to handle, it is actually easy for the supervisor or manager to handle the business. Yes, the next one, salary will be high in this case. Since we have a lot of hierarchy levels, So you have to pay all those levels, right? So you have to pay a huge number of amount as salary or remuneration to the employees. Yes, that is a demerit point. And next one, you have communication suffers drastically. Here communication is nothing but if any problem or if there is any ideas that base level employee is creating, it is actually very difficult for him to reach to the top level, as I said, correct? So there will be lot of miscommunication happening, and also in middle persons can play a bad role. Yes, so there might be a malfunctioning also happening, and this will not be communicated to the top management. So there will be some problems when the hierarchy levels are high. Yes, so last one, again, lack of coordination and control. So here we cannot have a proper effective control over the employees under narrow span of management. Yes, so I hope it is clear. If you have any further clarification, get back to me and complete your home task without fail. Yes, thank you.